Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Back up personal files to an external drive or cloud and verify the copy. Once done, plug in AC power so the process won't stop. Make sure you have the OEM recovery option or disk ready and the Windows product key if asked. Next, restart the PC and watch for the manufacturer recovery key. Common choices are F8, F9, F11, or a dedicated recovery button. Press it immediately when the logo appears to enter recovery. You'll now navigate the recovery environment. After booting into the OEM recovery menu, choose System Recovery Options or the manufacturer's recovery tool. Make sure to select the explicit choice that says Restore Factory Settings or Complete System Restore. Other options like Startup Repair won't reset everything. Read each prompt. When asked to format or repartition the drive, confirm you understand this erases all data. Then allow the utility to copy files and reinstall the factory image. Once the restore finishes, go through Windows Setup. Create your user account, set time zone, and configure networking so updates can download. Next, visit the OEM site to reinstall drivers and bundled utilities, and then copy your backed up files back. If the recovery tool errors or the partition is missing, don't panic. You can boot from a Windows 7 install DVD or USB and perform a clean install, then use your product key. This is the fallback method when the OEM recovery is unusable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.